Let's do a better one with this truck here. I got the chain on nice. I can unwrap it, hook it up. Thinking of taking that out and throwing an actual electric winch in there. Well, I'm going to. And then we're going to pull the 9125 with it. Let's see, that's good enough. And transmitter. Record. Max. Yep, good to go. You guys can see it in action here now. I gotta fix the trim. Old school style. Let's see which way it's going. It's going to the right. It's going to the right. Sure, it was on the carpet, it was going to the left. So we'll put it right back in the middle. Look at that. Trim dead center. Now why can't they make the damn 979B handle like this? That looks badass. It'll spin around in the dirt and shit. I don't want to get it dirty yet. We will though. Oh, on the rock. There we go. What we got? Well, I think my GPS is pretty damn accurate. 11.1 again. That's on that lithium-ion battery. I think it'll take 3S too, so we'll get a little faster speed with the LiPo battery, and then 3S will make it boogie. And then we'll throw in a little brushless system. Cause look, it has the all or nothing steering, which you saw is fine, huh? It's still fun, handled just fine. You can put taller tires on it too. Make it go faster. Let's see how it pulls this big heavy thing here. So, yeah, if it's a semi truck, the scale is way off. But yeah, it could be one of them. Yeah, that's a semi truck. This is like 1/20 scale. This is like 1/13 scale. We hooked up. Oh yeah, we gotta reset it. See how fast we can pull it. I haven't figured out how to reset it other than using the Bluetooth, but I record with my phone, so once you get some more camera equipment, I can do what everybody else does. Have it on the phone. This thing works great. I like it. Simple, quick. Pause. Play. That means record. Speed, like real-time speed, your average, and max. Pull it. What happened here? Oh. This little thing on the back rolls too. So it's set up. You do something to it. Too sharp. Oh, the truck tire's turned. I gotta set it up so I can pick the vehicle up. Let's go straight. Let's just go straight. Ah, fuck it.